Okay, so today you are learning how to write numbers based on the given amount of a certain place. So 6 10,000s, 4 thousands, 200s, 8 10s, and 2 1s. Let's use a place value chart to write that number. Here we have the ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000s. Well, our biggest one is 10,000, so that's as far as we need to go. And it says we have 6 of them. So let's write 6 in the 10,000s place. Next is thousands. How many thousands? 4. So we write 4 in the thousands place. Next is hundreds, and it says we have 2. So we write 2 in the hundreds place. How many tens? 8. So we put an 8 in the tens place. And ones? 2 of them. So we put a 2 in the ones place. And now we have 64,282. Now your turn.